This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about tasting cups, specifically these glass tasting cups, and we have a few options to show you. We have the 1 ounce round Forma amuse-bouche cup. It features a great double wall design, and it's 2 3/4 inches in diameter by 1 1/4 inches in height, making it the perfect little size for sauces and dips, or even small things like palate invigorators or palate cleansers. It's perfect for a tiny little scoop of sorbet between courses. We have the 5 ounce round small parfait dessert cup. It's 3 inches in diameter by 2 inches in height, and it features these great, nice, straight walls with just that little bit of curve at the base for a tiny bit of detail. It's great for small sundaes, individual scoops of things like ice cream, or even using for small apps. And then we have the 7 ounce round medium martini app glass. You can see it's got that martini style flair to it. It's 3.5 inches in diameter and 4.5 inches in height. It's got a nice weight to the base, so it's nice and stable and sturdy. And it also has that beautiful flared rim for that extra bit of special to add to your presentations, whether it's an appetizer or a dessert. You have a great variety of sizes and shapes, so you can really choose what best suits your needs. These are perfect for the presentation of various apps, small bites, and desserts. The smaller ones are even great for things like sauces, dips, and salsas as well. These are dishwasher and microwave safe, and they're perfect for caterers, restaurants, or even to use when you're entertaining in your own home.